The mobile network not available error on your SafeLink phone means it can't connect to the mobile network, usually due to SIM card issues. This happens when the SIM card isn't properly activated or provisioned with the carrier like Verizon or T-Mobile, depending on SafeLink's partnership in your area. SIM provisioning is the process of registering your phone's unique identifier, the IMEI, and assigning it a special ID for calls and data. Since SafeLink primarily uses physical SIM cards, problems during initial setup or after carrier switches can trigger this error. Don't worry, there are several self-help steps you can take before contacting support. First, power off your phone for 30 seconds, then reinsert the SIM card securely. Restart the phone. If that doesn't work, manually select your network carrier. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Network Operators, then Search Networks. On iOS, it's Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, then Network Selection. If it prompts you to select a carrier, choose either T-Mobile or Verizon. Also check your APN settings, access point names, which tell your phone how to connect to the internet. Incorrect APN settings can also cause issues. If problems persist, call SafeLink's free hotline at 1-800-378-1684 for help. They can remotely troubleshoot your SIM and potentially issue a replacement if needed.